know, right?
I can't remember I started the...
Stop doing that from over there.
Okay.
It's funny.
They're like going behind us. So weird.
Why we have
Who was that? The little girl said that was awesome.
Yeah. I want to say hi. Oh, I love that one. That's the one that I think that's
This just looks like a bunch of fire. Look, it looks like fire. Kind of looks like fire. Oh.
Rihanna!
She's sitting.
Oh, we got a ton of them.
It's that me. It's that me.
What the? See?
That's scary. I get some.
Dude, look at this. Whoa.
Is that fascinating?
Yes, fascinating.
Whoa, look what the kids are doing. Look, watch.
There's a guy back there that randomly just...
Whoa.
Tucker, I need a hug. Tucker.
Happy birthday. Happy tomorrow birthday. Happy tomorrow birthday.
I love him.
That is my stepdad, my mom, and my aunt.
There you go, man.
What was that?
Let's go stand in the grass. We can see that.
Did you get in the grass? Why?
Yeah, we're here.
What are we doing?
Mommy, stand here.
Alright, we got a better view.
Huh?
We have a better view.
Yeah, exactly. Dude, these are so cool.
What?
Let's go get
Food. What do you mean food? Oh, from up there?
Dude, look.
Okay, after this bottle
Yeah, I
rocket.
want to see this one. This one looks cool.
I love bottle rockets. They're so fun. I like gigantic bottle
I
rockets.
like the ones that like go up in the air and then explode.
Boom. Yeah,
You know
these
the one
this
that like goes up in
the
the air and like it explodes and it's the American flag.
Oh,
That was
those.
so awesome.
Those aren't bottle rockets, though.
Those are sick though.
Those are...
Boom.
Alright, let me see what
Oh, this is gonna be cool. Touch this thing.
Kevin.
Oh! I hope you do not do all of them at the same time.
Fine, that'd be cool.
Pew!
Fascinating.
That one's...
It's gonna be a long
I busted my knee from earlier.
I love fireworks.
Who said this is
Yeah,
going on
me too.
YouTube?
Why would you record it?
It's fireworks, huh?
No one's gonna watch this.
Yeah, they will. Who cares? I'll just put it on.
So
More
one
One of
videos
our
I
videos
do.
has 33 views.
One of my videos has over 100.
Oh, I guess I wonder who's in it.
Oh my god.
They should have popped.
It's gonna pop now.
I'm sure there are more than 100 kids at school that you told about.
One of my
we do
videos.
the summer.
It's only because I'm in the video. That's the only reason.
No,
Yeah,
no,
it is.
no. It's funny. That's why.
Because I'm in it.
And the basketball one where I go for the dunk.
Oh my god.
And then I hit the
Yeah.
door.
Yeah.
And then you hear Kyle.
Yeah, I was like. Hey, we should have put the one where you went flying out the window. I mean, flying out the door.
2 kids and a camera.
Okay, what happened?
That was Beast.
That's a more farewell.
We could use fireworks in Afghanistan.
They'll be like, we're under attack.
Ghost Rider fireworks.
We're under attack. They'll throw some milk ball.
Whoa!
Woo! Okay, that comes flying down on me. I'm gonna scream.
I like that one.
That one was pretty.
That one was pretty. Pretty's my
I
one.
love the ones that go up so high.
Whoa! Whoa! Woo! I love starting the clapping.
What? Not science fair project.
When you say Kevin, it confuses me because there's two of you.
I wonder if someone getting hit by that, how that would feel.
Not pleasant.
There's like 50 people here. What do you want, Kaylee?
Terrorists just attack our.
That's the American flag.
She wants to picture.
Gigantic tree. You saw that in one of our videos.
She wants to picture the deer with Kevin.
Oh, that's what I
Are you gonna cut this video? Like cut it and then?
I'm
No.
not even putting this on YouTube. Are you, Kevin?
Yeah. I'm gonna, like, in like a couple more, I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna do one of the big ones. Okay, we're going to get some food. We'll be back later.